In pharmaceutical manufacturing, data flows into a variety of systems: LIMS, Laboratory Information Management Systems; MES, Manufacturing Execution Systems, so many acronyms; QMS, Quality Management Systems, and more. While each represents a different part of the process, what they all share is the need for clean, formatted, and standardized data. Currently, much of this work is manual or reliant on middleware band-aids that slow everything down. Our platform automates the delivery of native instrument data directly into these systems, fast, reliable, and future ready. We're not asking customers to change their process. We're fitting into it seamlessly, enabling automation with zero disruption. The result: better compliance, reduced manual effort, fewer mistakes, and hopefully happier humans.